Hello, healthy family. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are tackling a common issue that can really cramp your style: muscle cramps. We will uncover the causes behind those annoying muscle cramps and share some effective solutions to keep those cramps at bay. So, if you are ready to flex your knowledge muscles, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. To embark on the journey of conquering muscle cramps, let's begin by delving into what muscle cramps truly are and unraveling the mysteries of their occurrence. Muscle cramps are those sudden and involuntary contractions that can strike one or more of your muscles without warning. To truly grasp why they happen, we must explore the most common underlying causes. And the first cause of muscle cramp is dehydration. Imagine your muscles as thirsty travelers on a searching desert expedition. When you're not adequately hydrated, your body becomes like that arid landscape and your muscles can become more prone to cramping. Hydration is the oasis in this analogy, providing the essential fluid your muscles need to function properly and remain cramp free. The next cause of muscle cramp is overexertion. Sometimes our enthusiasm for exercise can lead us down the path of overexertion. When you push your muscles too hard, especially without a proper warm up, it's akin to demanding an Olympic performance without training. This can strain and exhaust your muscles, setting the stage for cramps to take center stage. And the next cause of muscle cramp is mineral imbalances. Think of minerals like potassium and magnesium as the superheroes of muscle function. When these minerals are in short supply, your muscle can become irritable and prone to cramping. So maintaining a balanced diet with adequate level of these minerals is like giving your muscle the superhero support they need to stay cramp free. The next cause of muscle cramp is poor blood circulation. Imagine your bloodstream as the highway to muscle blades. Inadequate blood flow can lead to detours and traffic jams that ultimately result in muscle cramping. This is particularly relevant during long periods of inactivity, such as sitting for extended periods or not stretching during a long flight. Ensuring good circulation is like keeping those highways clear and ensuring smooth muscle function. Now that we have unveiled the causes behind those pesky muscle cramps, let's roll up our sleeves and explore some effective solutions that keep those cramps at bay. Here are your go-to strategies. Okay, the number one strategy we have here is hydration. The importance of staying hydrated cannot be stressed enough. Adequate hydration is the fortress against cramps. Make it a habit to sip water throughout the day, especially before and after exercise. Think of water as a lubricant that keeps your muscle gears running smoothly, reducing the risk of cramps. The next strategy for muscle cramp is proper nutrition. Your diet plays a pivotal role in the battle against muscle cramps. A balanced diet rich in essential minerals like potassium, magnesium, and calcium is your secret weapon. These minerals are the muscle's best friend, promoting proper function and helping to fend off cramps. So load up on leafy greens, banana, nuts, and dairy products to give your muscles the nutrients they need to thrive. And the next strategy for muscle cramps is stretching. Incorporate the power of stretching into your daily routine. Regular stretching, especially focusing on muscle group prone to cramps, can work wonders. Stretching helps improve flexibility, prevent muscle imbalances, and reduce the likelihood of cramps during physical activity. It's like giving your muscles a daily dose of rejuvenation. And the next strategies for muscle cramp is massage and heat. When cramps strike, don't hesitate to reach for the soothing powers of massage and heat. Massaging cramped muscles can provide immediate relief by relaxing tense muscle fibers. Applying heat in the form of warm compress or heating pad can further alleviate discomfort and help the muscle relax. It's like a spa day for your muscles right in the comfort of your home. And finally, the quick fix we have for muscle cramp is Epsom salt. Epsom salt is rich in magnesium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in muscle function. Soaking in an Epsom salt bath allows your skin to absorb magnesium, which can help relax muscle and reduce cramping. Fill in a basin with warm water. Ensure the water is comfortably warm but not too hot to avoid burning your skin. Measure about 100 grams of Epsom salt. This can be adjusted depending on the size of the basin and your preference as well. Stir the Epsom salt to dissolve and well distributed in the water. Then relax and submerge your 2 feet in the warm water, Epsom salt solution, for about 15 to 20 minutes. While soaking, you can gently massage your feet to help relieve tension and improve circulation. This can be done like 3 times in a week. Muscle cramps may be a common inconvenience, but with the right knowledge and preventive measures, you can keep them at bay and continue to pursue your fitness, health, and life goals. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. And of course, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any other health pack video from me. Thank you for joining me today in this video. And remember, your body is your greatest asset, so treat it well. Until next time, stay active and stay healthy and keep those muscle cramps away. Bye for now.